Hello, everyone. Welcome to the class of Building Construction Organization and Management. In the previous class, we studied two basic organization methods of construction: sequential construction and parallel construction. This class, we are going to study the third method, flow line construction. There are two learning objectives for this class. First, to understand the organization method of flow line construction. Second, to understand the characteristics of flow line construction. Flow line construction. It refers to dividing the entire construction process into distinct tasks, which start and finish successively, in a scheduled order, ensuring that the construction tasks proceeds continuously and evenly, until the entire construction process is completed. We will use a case study to understand the organization method of flow line construction. 4 units of buildings with identical structural designs. Their engineering quantities of foundations are equal, which can be divided into the following 4 construction tasks: foundation trench excavation, blinding concrete layer, brick masonry foundation, and foundation trench backfill. The construction indicators for each construction process have been specified. Let's proceed with flow line construction organization and calculate the total construction duration. Plot the construction schedule. Unit 1 starts with foundation trench excavation first. After completing foundation trench excavation for Unit 1, the foundation trench excavation team proceeds to Unit 2. After completing foundation trench excavation for Unit 2, the foundation trench excavation team proceeds to Unit 3. Meanwhile, blinding concrete layer starts pouring at Unit 1. After the concrete pouring for Unit 1 is completed, the blinding concrete layer pouring team proceeds on to Unit 2. Meanwhile, brick masonry foundation starts to construct at Unit 1. After brick masonry foundation is completed at Unit 1, the brick masonry team proceeds to work at Unit 2. Meanwhile, foundation trench backfill starts at Unit 1. After backfill is completed at Unit 1, the backfill team proceeds to Unit 2. These 4 construction tasks are carried out simultaneously by 4 separate construction teams. The remaining construction tasks for the 4 units are completed using the same method. The total construction duration for the foundation construction of 4 units is 19 days. This method of construction is characterized by: maximize the use of available work fronts during construction. The construction duration is relatively short. Each work team can construct continuously, realizing specialized construction. The amount of resources allocated per unit of time is relatively balanced. This provides the foundation for standardized site operations and effective project management. How is flow line construction organized? We will now study the conditions for organizing flow line construction. First, divide the construction process. Break down the entire construction process of the proposed building into distinct construction tasks. The purpose of dividing the construction process is to break it down according to construction conditions. This makes it easier to carry out the construction on individual tasks one by one, thus achieving the overall completion of the building construction. Second, divide the construction segments. According to the requirements of flow line construction, the proposed building should be divided, horizontally or spatially, into several construction segments with approximately equal workloads. Third, each construction task is assigned an independent construction team. In a flow line construction organization, each construction task should, whenever possible, be assigned an independent construction team. Such teams can be structured as professional work team. They can also be mixed teams. This allows each construction team to proceed from one segment to the next, in a sequential, continuous, and balanced manner according to the construction schedule, to perform the same task at each segment. Fourth, the major construction tasks must be constructed continuously and evenly. The major construction tasks refer to tasks with a large workload and a long duration. For major construction tasks, continuity and balance are essential. For other minor construction tasks, consolidation with adjacent processes can be considered. If the tasks cannot be consolidated, the construction duration will not be shortened. Intermittent construction may be arranged. Fifth, different construction processes should be organized to proceed in parallel and with overlapping where feasible, according to the construction sequence, under the condition that work fronts are available, except during essential technical or management-related pauses. Different construction tasks should be organized to proceed in parallel and with overlapping. Class. This lesson primarily introduced flow line construction, one of the basic organization methods of construction. To summarize, flow line construction is the most efficient and scientific method of construction organization. It is also the most commonly used organizational method in the modern construction industry. Firstly, we studies the organization methods and characteristics of flow line construction. Next, we also studied the conditions for organizing flow line construction. Since flow line construction is the most common construction organization method, then what are the basic parameters of flow line construction? We will explore together in the next class. This is the end of today's class. Thank you, goodbye.